Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make cream of spinach soup. Pour half cup of water to a heated vessel and add 5 cloves of garlic and 500 grams of spinach leaves to it. Cover and let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Once the leaves are blanched, we are gonna let them cool under the fan for 10 minutes to room temperature. And then grind it to a smooth paste. There is no need to add any extra water. That's my 3-year-old nephew helping me out. Spinach paste is done. Pour a tablespoon of olive oil to a heated vessel and add in a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Fry until golden in color and then pour in the pureed spinach. Combine everything together. This is a winter recipe and is a great way to incorporate greens in our everyday diet. This is a very healthy recipe for those who are on diet or are watching their weight. Add a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. You may also add a tablespoon of butter at this stage as it is a good taste enhancer. Pour in 1 cup of fresh cream. I am making this soup for my father who is a cholesterol patient, hence I am not adding any butter. Give a good stir, cover and cook for 5 minutes. When the soup begins to boil, that is the right time to serve it. Dish it out into individual soup bowls and serve it steaming hot. You may serve the cream of spinach soup as it is or combine it with croquettes or burnt bread. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my recipes, and thank you for watching.